Our precious students, this week marks our final week for this current school year. Before we let you go for summer break, we want to share our wishes for you.
My wish for my beautiful oysters is that play will be a part of your daily routine during your time off. Play allows you to experience joy and build self-confidence. Let your imagination flow and keep playing. It's the greatest joy in life and keeps your mind ready for learning.
My wish for my amazing crabs is that you keep on dreaming and make sure you dream big. Remember, your dreams can come true only if you make them. Your dreams can be whatever you want them to be, so make sure your dreams are as special as you are.
My wish for my special racefish is that you stay safe and healthy, that you remember to wash your hands regularly, to make sure you wash them correctly, lather up a lot of soap and hum the Twinkle Twinkle song 2 times from beginning to end. That way you'll know you have washed them correctly and will have fun at the same time.
My wish for my darling sailfish is that you take care of yourself and of the people around you, from a safe distance, of course. School is important, but so is your health. We need you to stay healthy and be proud of yourself for being strong and staying home, even though it can be boring. Keep it up, you're doing a great job.
My wish for you, my cute clownfish, is that you let yourself be creative. Make some art, any art, even if it is just a pen and paper. Glue recycled things together to make a sculpture. Ask an adult to bake cookies and decorate them yourself.
My wish for my magnificent rainbow fish is that you always have fun and keep being silly. Laugh and tell jokes, smile and be happy. Make funny memories and come back next year to share them with me and all your other teachers.
My wish for my delightful lobsters is that you learn new things, even if it's not me teaching it to you. Learn how to fix your bed, fold your clothes, learn how to write new words and add different numbers. Learn how to make Play-Doh shapes and color inside the line. Keep learning new things and help you grow your brain.
My wish for my spunky goldfish is that you stay active. Even if we are staying home at this time, I hope you find ways to move your muscles. Dance in front of the TV. Exercise in your room. Take a walk around your home. Play with your family members and enjoy every minute.
My wish for you, my lovely seals, is that you be kind. We know being home is tough on everyone, so now is the time to dig deep and be kind. Be kind to your family members. Help your parents with tasks around the house. Clean up after yourself and try not to make a mess in your room.
My wish for my smashing catfish is that you always remember that you are amazing, important, special, unique, kind, precious, incredible, adorable, wonderful, powerful, beautiful, and you're so very loved.
My wish for my powerful dolphins is that you be brave and strong, that you continue to listen to your parents and follow their instructions. They want to keep you safe and healthy. Even though it doesn't feel good to stay at home, we have to remember that this will only be for a short time. And it is very important because it will keep us safe and healthy so we can see each other again.
My wish for my sweet jellyfish is that you enjoy every minute with your family. Continue to be brave. Make your days fun by laughing and playing. Go to bed early so you can wake up early and be refreshed. Don't use your electronics too much and keep smiling all the time because you have a beautiful face when you smile.
The school year has ended, and soon a new school year will begin. We find it so hard to say goodbye to you, our little people. There is just something so special about each and every one of you. Remember that you can do anything that you set your mind to, and you are amazing.